Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender. So let's have a look now. Click on the Windows button and click on Settings. Now open Update and Security. Click and now from the left sidebar, select Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. After that, scroll down and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Setting. Toggle the switch off to turn off Windows Defender. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.